going to take a moment to take in the sights. I'm on this pontoon in the middle of the river. Good morning from wilderness. This is my view this morning. So this morning, woke up, always a good thing. Check out my team, and I found this little spot. And I'm just going to make myself a breakfast sandwich. So again, mom's roast beef, side of roast beef. Yeah, still alright. Yeah. Still good. And I toasted some bread, cheekily, in the hut before I left, so it's still nice and warm. Mom's gluten-free bread that just keeps going. It's raining, but it should stop raining at about 12. Then I'll go for a walk and come back, see how I feel, maybe go for another one. We'll see. Some cucumber, get your greens in. It's about 16 degrees. I wonder how I'm going to eat this thing. Gonna be a little bit tricky. It's tricky, 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 tricky. We rock around the block, we rock around the block, and we're tricky. Okay. Garlic pepper sauce. And I might even have a green fig afterwards. What a great way to start the day, man. Nothing like some chili and sweetness. I just realized that I left my ring in the house, so I'll ask the lovely lady at reception, Auntie Wendy. Cheers! Quickly pop in there and get that. I got some chili all up in my nose. I am so unladylike right now. Oh, it's coming down now. After eating my lovely sami, I cleaned up and got ready to walk in the rain. I'm walking in the rain. It's not going to stop me. And I'm going to walk one of the trails. 2 park rangers had advised that I not walk in the rain on my own due to the path being really slippery and the fact that somebody else had actually fallen and nearly died. But hey, I love myself a challenge. All right, it's really, really wet here, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to walk the Collared Kingfisher Trail. The Collared Kingfisher Trail is a 8.7 kilometer out and back walk located near the Ebb-and-Flow camp in Wilderness where I was staying. The trail is primarily used for hiking and nature trips. The trail leads you past the north camp of Ebb-and-Flow, and that's where I stayed the first night. Ah, hello Hut 38. My old friend. When life gets hard, just be grateful. Your name isn't a bladder nut tree. Onwards. Look at all these ferns. I'm completely and utterly alone in here, and it's wonderful. Whoever was naming these trees. So I'm doing the pontoon crossing. Ooh. Ooh. Naisna turakoluri is a large, colorful, noisy bird which goes around in small groups. I think I've met my spirit bird, especially the colorful, large, noisy part. Yeah, here we go, onto the pontoon. Hoo-hoo-hoo, such fun. Okay, here we go. It's gonna take a moment to take in the sights. I'm on this pontoon in the middle of the river. Yeah, this is amazing. Thank the Lord, I'm over. That was a bit hairy, getting onto the rock. It's a little bit slippery. Whew. So now it decides to stop raining just after I get over on the pontoon. Typical. Makes it more fun. I feel like I should have come better prepared. Yeah, hindsight is 2020. In this short period of time, I slipped a total of 4 times. And to add to all of that, there were many stairs. Many stairs. So I'm holding on for dear life onto these railings, right, because it's so slippery. Boom. Nearly there. With it. How great thou art. How great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Every creature has its home, even in this big stump. At these formations. The stories they could tell. So I'm heading back now, and it's 10 to 3 in the afternoon. It took me 2 hours to get here because I walked quite slowly and carefully because of the rain, not wanting to trip or fall. I'm going to push it to try and get back before 5 because in the woods it gets really dark quicker. As I'm walking now, I'm just watching my step. It's quite a way to go, so I need to focus. Okay, I've made it. I've basically run back here, but there's my pontoon to go to the other side. Here we go. I pulled myself safely back to the other side, and I was so grateful to be over that river. I finally found my way back to the beginning of the track, only to find that nobody was there and they'd all gone home for the day. So if I hadn't come back, no one would have known. Just because it's camping and raining doesn't mean that you have to make rubbish food. No. So I've just chopped up some roast beef here, the baked potato that I made earlier, sneakily in the cabin. I've got my onion, my tomato, it's got some garlic, and I've got some butter, and I'm going to saute all of that. Got some garlic. This is a potato. Coarsely chopped. Now I like the salt. A little bit of wine in there. Smells fantastic. Actually, might cut up some chilies in there as well. I'll cut up about half of this because I like heat. Oh, it's smelling so good. My beef in. Just getting all of it. Nice juiciness around the potatoes. Oh, that is amazing. A warm meal after a long day. Oh, perfect. Good morning. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's not raining. Thank the Lord. Not a bad way to start your morning, right? With a cup of coffee. With this view. This is a gluten-free rest. I know. I bought it at Checkers. I took advantage of this sunny, wonderful weather to do some handyman work on Gigi and the Albatross box. I'm just going to tighten the bolts on my bed frame because last night I could feel it's a bit of a movement. It was like, and I thought, let's not take a chance tonight. So I'm going to tighten that up, and I've just got some wing nuts that I'm going to tighten there. That's done. There you go. Okay, that's in. Just because I'm out camping and living that bohemian lifestyle does not mean I don't come prepared. You always travel with a drill, okay? Don't take chances. I'm just going to further secure these thingies because I really don't want to fall through the bottom of this bed in the night time. I'm not even going to pre-drill. I'm just going to put a hole through there. It might not even be straight, but whatever. Okay, that's it. It's actually quite nice under here. I would sleep under here, but I'm just a tad too big. I'm just heading off to George, which is the closest town or city, and I'm looking for a tent because honestly the tent I brought along it's just not great. I'm not so happy with it, so I am going to look for another one. Okay, tent shopping. Okay, so here we go. This is what, wow. And I can hierdie alleen doen. I can do this on my own. Yeah, but you see, you're doing it with somebody else. I viewed over 15 tents in different places, but ended up with this tiny thing from Checkers. set it up just in time. It's just a good stand-in. All my gear is in there. I'm going to make some rice, roast beef, mom's roast beef, for the very last time, because I think that it's older than Moses, so I'm going to eat it, finish it tonight. So it's starting to rain again, but I've even got a skylight. Look at that, I've got a skylight in my kitchen. And here is the infamous roast beef. Yeah. Well, she's alright. I'm going to put the rice into the lettuce leaves as burritos. And put some roast beef, cucumber, feta, and there you go. So I'm going to have that now. See? Just to stay a little bit warm. And I've closed up Gigi. And I'm going to eat my dinner.